studying about the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, output work, input work, and efficiency today. Yes?
Yes.
Have you already known something about the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, input work, output work, and efficiency? Or not? Yes, you know. Little, yeah. And so, what is mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage. What is mechanical advantage? In a simple machine, mechanical advantage, which is denoted by MA. What is meant by MA? It is the ratio. It is the what? It is the ratio between the load and the effort in a simple machine. Load and what? Effort. So, माले भनेर सुनाउनु. Load and effort. अब एक बार कन्फ्युज भइरहेको छ हैन. effort मादियो कि load त लाग्यो. माले MALE. Mechanical advantage is also the ratio, and velocity ratio is also the ratio. It is also the what? Ratio between the which distance. माथिपट्टि के बस्छ ल समझाइ? load distance or effort distance? effort distance. कसरी सम्झिने? गति अनुपात E ल गई भैंस पानी में माले भैंसी सम्झिने हैन? माले भैंसी गई भैंस पानी में. load distance कतापट्टि? So the ratio between what? Effort distance and load distance in a simple machine is called what? Velocity ratio. Now I have efficiency. What is efficiency? Efficiency is also the ratio, but it is expressed in terms of what? In terms of ratio. In terms of what?
Ratio.
In terms of percentage. It is a ratio. Ratio between what? Ratio between क्या है? वही बनने. क्या बनने है? वही यहाँ है ना? वही यहाँ क्या बनने? So ratio between the output work to the what? Input work. Output work to the what is called क्या है? Efficiency. अब तो ये स्वास्थ्य है बुक पूरे रंग था. 170 में है ना? माध्यमिक input work लिख दिया था. तब output work लिख दिया था. है क्या स्वास्थ्य है? माध्यमिक के ऊपर आउटपुट वर्क तलपट्टि के ऊपर इनपुट वर्क OI हैन. मैले तिमीलाई बुझाउन खोजेको सम्झिने कठिन छैन. अर्को छ आउटपुट वर्क भनेको के हो भनेर अब यहाँ कति कन्फ्युज हुन्छ ल होला. कन्फ्युज हुन्छ हैन? व्हाट इज आउटपुट वर्क डन बाइ द इनपुट हो कि वर्क डन बाइ द लोड हो कि कन्फ्युज हुन्छ कि हैन? सम्झिने तरिका यहाँ है. O को नजिकै के छ? L छ. मतलब OIL सम्झ. O को नजिकै के छ? L छ भनेको लोड. The work done by the load is called what? Output work. So what is the formula of output work? Load into load distance OIL. नजिकै छ L. I को नजिकै के छ? E छ. So effort into effort distance. So you know 5 things about what? About mechanical advantage, Malik. About velocity ratio, gain, E log, E log तथा opposite of MA भनेर सम्झिनु भयो. बुझ्यौ नि? अर्को efficiency भनेको के हो? कोही efficiency कोही OIL हो. I को नजिकै के छ अरे E छ. Effort into effort distance is equal to के हो? Effort into effort distance is equal to input work. I को नजिकै